Welcome back. Now I fixed this one, and can you see how beautiful and lovely it is? So what I'm going to do now is just apply gum to where the gum were before, but carefully apply gum. Well, I won't say sparingly. I'm going to tell you apply gum beautifully. Let me use the word beautifully. So I've I've already applied gum to the flowers. To the flowers, I've already applied gum to it. And so what I'm going to do now is just place the flowers. I hope you're loving what you're seeing. I hope you're loving it. Maybe you have an outing, very you have an outing and you don't know what to wear and you're looking at and you don't have money. Let me put it like that, and you want to still look good. And you can easily, can you see? Can you see the back? Can you see the back? And you can do it yourself. Buy those flowers, change the setting. If you like, if you want a green and gold, if you want the green, if you want green silver, because I decided to use this because it will bring out it will pop it out, it will pop the design out. And so if you like this, I would like you to give me a like, follow me. If you give me a like, anytime I post any video, you will definitely see it. Please follow me too. Leave your answers. I will definitely get back to you. And thank you for joining me in this program, in this course. God bless. Bye.